In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bibliography with Zotero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn the items already saved in your library into a clean, properly formatted bibliography you can drop into your paper or project. First, open Zotero. You can use the desktop app. The process is clear and consistent across platforms. Give it a moment to load your collections and items. If you're new to Zotero, think of it as your research command center. Every source you've saved lives here, along with its citation details. Next, click on My Library and locate the item or items you want to include. You can browse your collections on the left or scan the center pane for titles. If you have a large library, use the search field at the top to quickly filter by author, title, or keyword. The goal is simply to get the relevant references visible in the middle list so you can select them. Now, click on the title you want to include. If you need more than one source, press and hold Shift to select a continuous range, or use your keyboard's modifier key, like Control or Command, to pick non-adjacent items one by one. Take a second to confirm you've highlighted only the sources you want. Zotero will create a bibliography from exactly what you select. With your items selected, right-click on the highlighted area. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. This opens a context menu with actions specific to your selection. Choose Create Bibliography from Items. This is the command that tells Zotero to format the selected references for you based on a style and output you'll confirm in the next step. You'll see a dialog asking for the citation style. Pick the one required by your assignment or publication, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. Each style controls details like author order, capitalization, italics, and punctuation, so selecting the correct one here saves a lot of manual formatting later. Set the output mode to bibliography, then click OK. This tells Zotero to produce full reference entries, not in-text citations. Zotero will instantly generate the bibliography in the style you chose. If you selected multiple items, Zotero will format them as a single list, following the style's rules for ordering and layout. Before you paste or use the result, glance over the entries for accuracy. If something looks off, it usually means a detail in the original item's metadata needs a quick fix in your library. Once everything looks right, you're done. You've created a polished bibliography directly from your Zotero items, fast and reliably.